Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the group of 7 English mathematics consisting of Chandralika Divasena, Chania Triandini, and Tengku Fahmil Umi. We will present a PowerPoint slide entitled Descriptive Statistics. Alright, let's get started. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics are statistics that study how to collect, organize, and present data. Number 1. Central tendency of data. Central tendency is some measure that studies where the distribution of the data is central, mean, median, and mode. Dispersion of data, or measure of deviation, is a measure that describes how scattered the quantitative data, range, variance, and standard deviation.
Expansion of data. Range is difference between the largest data and smallest data. Example, class 2 is height of 6 students is after sorted 116, 8, 170, 170, 172, 173, 176. Range is 176 plus 169 equal 9. 2. Variance is the mean squared deviation of the observation data to the mean. The formula is S squared is equal to sigma E from 1 to n. Open bracket xe less x bar squared per n less 1. 3. Standard deviation is the root of the variance. Example are data on the height of 10 students where the result of the xe less x bar squared is 167.60. Then we find the result of the variance and its standard deviation. S squared is equal to sigma E from 1 to n, open bracket, xe less x bar squared per n less 1 equals 167.60 divided by 10 minus 1 is 18.62. S is equal to the root 18.62 equals 4.32.
I'm going to explain about central tendency of data. First, mean. Mean is the average value of a number of data. In this sense, I would like to tell you about the formula and also the example of mean. The formula is sigma x divided by n. The example of mean is class 2A's height of 6 students. Sigma x 170 plus 169 plus 172 plus 170 and 173 176 equal to 1030 and equal to 6. X bar sigma x divided by n result equal to 171.6. Second, median. Median is the middle value after sort. The formula of median is x half plus multiplied by n plus 1. The example of median in class 2A's 8 of 7 students. After sort, find 2 the middle value 170. Median 7 plus 1 divided 2 equal to 4. Third, mode. Mode is the value that often arise. The formula of mode is divided into that data. Number 1, single data. Number 2, group data. Number 1, single data based on the dead apparent frequency. Number 2, group data. Bottom edge mode class plus result of D1 divided D1 plus D2 multiplied by interval. The example of mode from table list mode is 170.
Okay, that's the result of our presentation. Thank you for watching our video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.